We should exercise daily and always eat healthy food. Okay, before we start our today's class, let's have a fun. Here, I will tell you something to do it. You have to do it well. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Put your hands up. Hands down. Up. Down. Clap your hands. Louder. Very good. Touch your nose. Show me your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Jump on your place. Very good. Run on your place. Very good. Now it's time for study. Today we are going to learn the concept of zero.
What is zero? Let's see.
Hey, look. What's that? I can see something hiding. That's the number 0 behind the tree. Look, it's dancing. The number 0 is written as. The number 0 denotes no objects. Let us see how. Look at the branch of that tree. There are a few colorful birds sitting on it. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds. One bird flew away. How many birds do we see now? Let us count. 1, 2. There are 2 birds. Again, one bird flew away. Now, how many birds do we see now? 1. Look, that bird too flew away. There are no birds on the tree. We say that there are 0 birds on the tree. What is that near the tree? It is an ant hill. I can see 6 ants on the ant hill. Look, all the ants went inside the ant hill. Do you see any ants now? No. We see no ants on the ant hill. So, we can say that we see 0 ants on the ant hill. There are 4 butterflies on the pink flower. There are 0 butterflies on the yellow flower. So, what did you learn? 0 means no objects. Now, open your math textbook at page number 8. Nothing at all. Goofy has a ball in his one hand. He has nothing in his other hand. Nothing means 0. Take the boat that has no one. Here you can see there are 2 boats. In one boat there are 2 cartoons. But in another boat, nothing. Nothing means 0. So we will tick here for each thing that has nothing in it. See, here there are 2 cupboards. In one cupboard, nothing is there. But in another cupboard, there are many things. So what we will do? Where nothing is there, we will write 0. So we will write here 0. Now next. There are 2 vases. One vase is having many flowers, but another vase, nothing is there. So we will write here 0. Minnie is having plate with fruit slices, but in Mickey's plate, nothing is there. So we will write here 0. Count the fish in each group and write the number. Here we have to count the fish and write their number. First we'll count brown fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 brown fish. Now next. How many green fish? Let's count. 1, 2. Next. Red fish. Let's count. 1. How many purple fish are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 purple fish. Next one is yellow fish. Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 yellow fish. Now draw circle as per the number of fish in each color. The first one is done for you. See, here this is brown fish. And how many brown fish are there? 6. So it is already drawn. There are 6 brown fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles are here. Now we have to draw circle for the next fish. Next one is green fish. How many green fish? 2. So we will draw 2 circles. Now next, red. How many red fish? Only 1. So we will draw only 1 circle. Next one is purple fish. How many purple fish are there? 3. So 1, 2 and 3 circles. Okay. Now next, yellow fish. How many yellow fish are there? 2. 1 and 2. 2 circles.